The man, the pan, the plan. Omelets. Eat them any whatever you want. We have asparagus, green peppers, onions, mushrooms, and some tomatoes. Been lightly sauteed. I have some brown sausage and Canadian bacon. Let's get going. 3 eggs going in. I'll be back. This isn't just for dipping. This is really good in an omelet. I'm just telling you. Then we got our veggies going in. Then we got our sausage going in. Canadian bacon's gonna hit the party. I'll be back. Shredded cheese. Gotta have that. You sprinkle that all over. It's actually pretty tasty. I'll be back. Now all you gotta do is just flip that boy over. Close him up. We might not make them quite right, but when they're done, they're just as good as they were before. I'm just telling you. He's ready to come out. Just lay your plate in there. That way you can get him all. We got him out. We got to use some of Barb's seasoning. It's some Willy everything. She dropped it off, so we're going to use it. It's a little red pepper flake, everything, bagel. There you go. A little bit of sour cream on there. A couple pieces of toast. Enjoy.